Valentine's Day is around the corner, and I know some of us can go through seasonal depression waiting for flowers or gifts or just somebody to ask us out. But hey, I'm here to tell you that you don't need anybody else to love you but yourself. Hi guys, I'm Sanya and welcome to Be Beautiful. Before I give you your much needed pep talk and follow it up with a gorgeous date night makeup routine featuring the classic bold lip, do subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. I have already prepped my skin and now I'm going to prime it with the Lakme Lumi Cream. Remember, a great luminous makeup base begins with a primer. And girls, this Lakme Lumi Cream will help you achieve that flawless base. Take a little bit of the cream and spread it evenly all over your face before you use a foundation. This will give your skin a natural glow. Your date might probably think it's because of him, but we know the secret. Now for the foundation, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Skin Natural Mousse. Scoop out some of the foundation and use a damp beauty sponge to blend it into the skin. This foundation has a really interesting texture. It's more like a mousse. And that's why it's super easy to apply. Look, it's just like a cream. अब जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, ये बहुत अच्छे से blend होता है स्किन में, giving this matte finish with a medium to sheer coverage. लेकिन अगर आपको ज़्यादा कवरेज की ज़रूरत है around the areas where you have hyperpigmentation, no worries. Just add another layer because it's a very buildable product. I almost feel like I'm wearing nothing on my skin, which is one of the reasons why I love this product. अब इसके बाद मैं चेक करूंगी if I have any imperfections that are still peeking through the base और उन्हीं areas पे मैं concealer लगाऊंगी. This is the concealer I'm using. It's the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Liquid Concealer in the shade Sand. Just dot, dab and blend. This concealer has a matte finish and a built-in primer that blurs dark spots and pigmentations. Let's do the eye makeup now. लेकिन उससे पहले start by prepping the eyelids. Dab a little bit of concealer and blend it out. And then dab some loose powder. I'm using my favorite eyeshadow palette ever. This is the Lakme Absolute Spotlight eyeshadow palette in the shade Smoking Glam. So starting off with this orangish shade, apply it right above the crease area and then using a blending brush, blend it out. Then I'm going to deepen the crease area by layering this mid-tone matte brown shade using a tapered blending brush. फिर मैं एक लाइट शेड अपने eyelid पे लगाऊंगी using a flat shader brush. Then I'll apply the shimmer shade in the inner corners of my eyes just to open them up. For the lower lash line, take a smudger brush and then mix both the crease shades and just rim the lower lash line. Now to rim the lower waterline, I'm going to ditch the regular black eye pencil and opt for a silver eye pencil instead. So using the Lakme Absolute Explore eye pencil in the shade Alluring Silver, I'm going to gently rim the lower waterline. I find a nice cat eye to be extremely sexy and help boost my confidence. So I'll create a thin winged line using the Lakme Iconic Liner Pen Fine Tip in the shade Deep Black. The tip of this eyeliner is super precise, so it's going to help me create a sharp wing. Plus, it's also going to help in small precision work on the inner corner areas of my eye as well. अब इस eye look को complete करने के लिए I'm using my favorite mascara. This is the Lakme Iconic Volume Mascara in the shade Black. This lightweight mascara adds volume to the lashes without appearing clumpy. Just use the wiggle and swipe technique and your lashes will flutter like never before. With that, the eye look is done. Now, using the Lakme Absolute 3D Eyebrow Definer in the shade Espresso, I'm going to fill up the brows and brush them with a spoolie brush to tame unruly hair. And I'm good to go. Time to define, add color and highlight the best features of the face. For that, I'm going to use the Lakme Facelift palette in the shade Sun Kissed Glow. It is an irresistible trio of all your favorite makeup essentials, which consists of a nourishing bronzer, a buildable blush and a cushion soft highlighter. तो सबसे पहले bronzer को ले और apply it on the hollow of the cheeks. Swipe a little blush over the cheekbones and add a light flush of color. And lastly, highlight using a highlighter and apply it light-handedly on the highest points of your face. For instance, cheekbones, under the brow bones, bridge of the nose and Cupid's bow. Nothing screams Valentine's Day more than vibrant red lips. The rich hue gives your pout a sultry and sexy look that is always on trend. My personal favorite is from this range. It's the Lakme Cushion Matte Lipstick in the shade Red Blaze. It's a beautiful deep red shade which I absolutely love. It's a non-drying formula, glides on smoothly and doesn't settle into the cracks of my lips. It has a soft matte formula enriched with rose oil extracts which gives your lips a moisturized, comfortable feel. See? Why rely on these boys to bring you roses when your makeup makes sure you're pampered with all their goodness? And lastly, it's time to keep the look intact with a setting spray. A setting spray will not only help you look fresh all day long, but will also keep the makeup from transferring onto his shirt, just in case. So get your hands on the Lakme Absolute Made to Last setting spray. बॉटल को अच्छे से शेक करें और 6 इंचेस की दूरी से स्प्रे करें. ये एक non-sticky और lightweight setting spray है with nutri-rich mist. Plus, it's enriched with hyaluronic acid and aloe vera, which hydrates and nourishes the skin. Let it set for 10 seconds and you're good to go. So guys, I hope you liked the perfect Valentine date night makeup routine. Do try it out and let me know how it turned out for you in the comments below. Even if you don't have a date, do not sulk. Take yourself out, call up your girl best friends and have something low-key and comforting. Remember, you don't need an external source of validation when you're being beautiful inside out. Happy Valentine's Day, we love you. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and of course don't forget to ring the bell icon to stay further updated with all our latest videos. Bye!